Mẹ cũng có cái đường giấy. Tôi Iram dan kang lepa la se apoi tadi di sini kumpen bagi kuari de jaba isagi ro di sadabi Iram kudin bakta awat balai tana palakba adu ko be balai ba ama oiragan lakhiba Manipur na ngasi India di bang da tilura ba matung haiba dare apoi ase tang khangau da mang da amto oi ki de ba phibam amada apoi ase handa sin kupi na ko terrorist singa Meetei community singa adamna apoi Meetei community sing sibo manghallage amadi muthatlage haiba mata ko sanction liba asigumlaba moigi yamna democratic oidaba mokoigi khongjang asibu akoi India government na tumina asum tha dara chupna yengduna leithokliba ase aikoi maruoina hauragliba youth ama oina amadi Meetei khunai da chawjarakwa Meetei macha ama oina aikoina tum yengduna leiba daragadi tha kharagi matungda disai kharagi matungda di aikoi Meetei gi phibam ase adukimati sokchalakpai yana leiba asigumlaba kiningai oiraba phibam sing asiga tumina leithokpa aduna akoi tha dara hena tumduna leiriba akoi India gi prime minister asibu hogdongna bo hona ba state lenga ta ki sugari gumba thabak thabak ama ta lokhataba ngaha ki oiba thabak thabam sing pai khatlaga ngaha ki oiba thabak thabak ya tawraga praja miyam gi phalau bu namthana bo hona raga lakwa asibum laba thabak thabam sing ase akoi praja moina penja da badagi akhena na akoi praja amana logam thokpa role do chapchana lojaba ga loina na akoi na Delhi da laksare haya ka da Delhi da Lamyanba Manipur Co-ordinating committee da puna kusanare haya ka da sara hembagi khongjang ase akoi mafam asida changsit jabani asi changsit jariba khongjang ase maru oina Manipur da toi ba issue ase ahamba da akoi nongmai na bisa miyam da kapna landarakpani aduna nongmai kapni ba asi kana no haina kumai yangpa matam da di suspension of operation su India government ka taunariba miyo kangdup asina akoi Meetei community da atamna tawrakpa thabak thorong oibanina hariba Kanggu asina tawriba thabak thoram sing ase ahambada lephan biu amadi su ase makhata na extend tawdana bagi da makta achitba period India government na lobiu haiba wafam ase aikoina thamjabaga loina na aikoina taliba demand ase phangriba phawba aikoi campaign ase aduma makha jangsin sajikani masida natana akoi tongan tongan ba henba khongjang kaya su jangsin nabagi da makta sem saduna leijari haiba wafam ase thamjari.
The influx of illegal immigrants stop as soon as we impose NRC, and so we have been demanding to impose NRC for the past 9 months, and more than 60,000 people were more than 60,000 people were displaced from their home. They were the IDPs, and out of the 60,000 people, 20,000 of them are students. And so you as a student, we as a student, where do we have the right? Do they get the basic right, the right to education? No. So far, the government hasn't implemented any policy. The government fails to take any kind of policy for those 20,000 IDP students. And so we strongly stand for those people. And what about the trauma that they created within the community, within the society, within the state? We have been living in this kind of political unrest we have been living in this kind of unrest situation for the past nine months. And so I would like to ask, are we still living in democracy, a democratic country? Where does the meaning of democracy goes all of a sudden? Is Manipur not a part of Indian nation? I would like to draw the attention of the Indian Constitution that is Manipur not a part of Indian Constitution. And this is something which is very serious and which is something very vital, and which we need to talk and discuss with the central government, need to be focused.